Hello everyone. So right now I'm going to be cleaning my room, and I thought I'd film it because it motivates me more to clean my room, because I have been pushing this off for so long and it's really messy. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna film it and make a little video for you guys. So I'm in college. I don't know if my 2 followers know that. This is just my room that I grew up in, but you know, I've lived in it most of my life, so you know, I wanted to clean it, make it look pretty, you know. So enjoy. So this is my mess. So I try to make a pile of clothes that are clean, but basically I start out by taking all the clothes from my closet that I need to fold. So I have these to fold, and my room's I just threw everything on my floor. So usually I start out by just making piles of different things on my floor. I'm gonna this is the pile that I'm gonna fold and put in my drawers, and these are my shoes, and just start making piles, and it just makes it easier to go step by step. So right now I just put a stack of clothes that I fold and put in my drawers. These are stuff I need to hang up. These are just bras. Now I'll work on the rest of the things on the floor. Okay, so I cleaned off most of the floor. There's some band-aids on the floor and just some other random stuff. I put my shoes away in my closet. They just go these are my main shoes that I wear up in here. As you can see, I wear a lot of Vans. But my closet's already pretty organized because I organized it a couple days ago. Now I'm just gonna start folding my clothes. So enjoy a little time lapse of it. Last load of laundry. Oh my gosh, why do I literally have so many freaking t-shirts? Still going strong. So I finally folded all my clothes and put all my clothes in my closet that I need to go in my closet, and all the clothes that need to go in my drawer, So yeah, next thing I'm gonna do is fix this up, because as you can see, I have been laying on it. So we're gonna make it look pretty, even though we're gonna be sleeping in it in a couple of hours, because it is already getting a little bit dark outside. So I made my bed, and as you can see, both my drawers managed to break. This one broke downwards. This one managed to break upwards. So don't know how that happened, but I think this is very nifty. Just don't put too much crap in it or you will break them. Ooh, this is pretty messy, but next we're gonna work on organizing this disaster. Whoa. So my desk is now clean. I would really, like if there was a shelving component right here so I didn't have to just throw everything on my desk. This is the best I can do right now. So right here I have my coin jar. I'm not gonna spend this till I really need to, till I'm desperate, but it's my coin jar. And just my makeup, Aquaphor, and of course my high school Letterman, because this is my high school room. But yeah, now I'm just gonna fix up anything else that needs to be fixed up. Okay, so I finally finished cleaning my room. I'll show you guys the end result. So let's get started. So initially, when you walk in, it looks like this. Let me remind you guys that I don't actually live here anymore. Yes, I do. This is my home. This is where I grew up, but I'm in college now. So next month I'm gonna be moving into a house with 3 other girls that I met last year, and then I'll maybe vlog that. I don't know. But yeah, so this is my high school room. It's what I designed in high school. I still really like it, but here, I'll just show you guys anyways. So when you first walk in, I made this thing for my hats. I don't even know. I just randomly did it. And then you walk over here, and my room's pretty small. So I have a twin bed, and those drawers are broken. I have my tapestry. I actually brought that to my dorm in college freshman year last year, but it kept falling down, so I decided to bring it back because it makes my room look good. Then over here it's just my dresser, my yearbooks, a little puppy dog that my boyfriend got me, and then just random stuff. And then my desk, it's kind of cluttered. I wish there was more organization to it, but you know, my Letterman, of course I'm gonna leave it there because it's from high school and I'm very proud of it. And you walk over here, my hamper, trash can, a lamp. And then over here is my closet. It has sliding doors. Throw my clothes and like my shoes up there for now. Some plaques I got in high school. So yeah, that's just me cleaning my room. Sorry that I look like this right now. I just really felt like cleaning my room before I got clean. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this wonderful video that I put together. But I basically wanted to film this so I would actually be motivated to clean my room. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please. Please. Okay. I'm just rambling now, so bye. I'm gonna go like get clean. As you can clearly tell, I need to clean myself. Okay, I really need to stop talking. Bye guys. That was really stupid. Bye guys.
My love, my love, my love, my love. You love my lady lumps. My hump, my hump, my hump. My humps, they got you.